How to create blank Wix Studio. So in order to create a blank Wix Studio, what you can do is you click onto this create new site option right here. So once you click onto this drop down, we have in here the Studio Blank Canvas. So click onto this Studio Blank Canvas from in there. And then from in here, it should show us in here our actual editor for our studio. Just wait for it to finish the loading process and you should be able to see it. So you can see right here our actual site. As you have noticed, it is very blank and very white. We only have in here our business name and we also have in here our logo as an example as well as the home page. So as you can see right here in the our section, there are no elements and you can head over and add in here a design section, grid layout or any elements. As for the pages, it only have the home page so you can start from scratch using this particular site. So that's how you create Blank Wix Studio. Hope we helped.